Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recover a MetaMask account without its recovery phrase. It's crucial to understand that direct recovery without your secret recovery phrase is generally not possible. However, if you still have access to your wallet on a device, you might be able to use your private key. This method allows you to import individual accounts into a new or existing MetaMask wallet. Your private key acts as a unique identifier for a single account within your wallet. If you have this key, you can import that specific account into any MetaMask instance. This is different from your recovery phrase, which grants access to your entire wallet and all associated accounts. Always keep your private keys extremely secure, as anyone with the key can control your funds. To export a private key, first open and unlock your MetaMask wallet. Select the specific account you wish to recover from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the three dots next to your account name and choose Account Details. From there, select Export Private Key, enter your MetaMask password, and the key will be revealed. Copy this key carefully. While private keys offer a recovery option, your secret recovery phrase remains the ultimate backup for your entire wallet. Always store it securely offline, perhaps on paper or a hardware device. Regularly back up private keys for all your important accounts. Use strong, unique passwords for MetaMask and be vigilant against phishing attempts to protect your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.